Good morning, welcome back to my small YouTuber vlog series. Today is Saturday, I'm on my way to work, and then afterwards I'm going to pop to the post office because apparently there is a parcel waiting for me that needs a signature. So I'm not sure what it is, but we shall soon see. I'll speak to you when I've got my parcel and we'll open it up together. So I'm back. I went to work. I actually finished half an hour earlier than what I thought I was meant to finish, so was buzzing when I found that out. And then went to town, met up with my mum, went to Primark. Where else did I go? Post office to get the parcel. I also had another amazing parcel waiting for me when I got home, but we will talk about that in all good time. I thought I would show you what I got from Primark because there's some things in here that, to be honest with you, I just want to kind of get open and put away. So I thought I'm not going to have time to film a Primark haul this weekend, so that I can actually use the stuff I'll show you in a vlog, because it's just so much bloody easier. So the first thing that I got, if I can grab it properly, is a dress which looks like this. So it's a skater dress. It has like a lining in it as well, which I thought I wasn't going to get it because I thought, oh my god, it's so see-through, I'm never ever going to get, I'm too lazy, I won't find something to put wear underneath it. But it comes with it, and it has, it's cinched in at the waist, obviously like a little skater dress, and it has like long sleeves, and I thought, oh my god, how is my arm going to fit in that? But it's actually pretty stretchy, so I'm hoping this looks okay on, because I'm still not 100% there with my hips and my stomach area, so it depends where it clinches in. If it cinches in, sorry, if it cinches in a nice place, complements my body shape, then perfect. Because I have like a tiny little torso, I was thinking corso, but I'm thinking cardio, what? And really long legs compared to the rest of my body. Sometimes these work for me, sometimes these don't. When I was slimmer, they worked for me all the time, because I didn't have the contrast between my small, because my waist is still tiny, but it's my hips and kind of like the bottom part of my stomach that's bigger. And obviously if you're so small there, it kind of grumps it all together. So there's not much time for it to kind of fade out into an hourglass. It kind of just goes, so sometimes these can make me look worse. But it was £13. I thought I'll try it. Like, I thought it'd be so nice with a black leather jacket, which I'm still in the hunt for. As I didn't really like the ones that were in Primark. So I'm still in the hunt for that. I also got this dress, which looks like this, and it's just like a drop one. And to be honest with you, I bought this for work because I have one. You might have saw it in a vlog actually that I've wore for work this week, because I wore it on, did I vlog that day? I can't remember. I feel like I didn't. I feel like no, I didn't. I don't think I vlogged on Friday. But these are so easy because they don't need ironing. I'm just going, oh, there's a thread loose on it. They don't need ironing, so I can always just shove them on with some tights, and it's such an easy outfit. This was £13. I got a size 10. I got a size 10 in the other one as well. And yeah, I just thought I'll give it a try. And depending on what it looks like, I'll decide whether it's going to be a work outfit or whether it's going to be like a nice outfit for doing stuff in. The rest of the stuff that I got were all bits and bobs. Which is one of the reasons why I just kind of wanted to show you in this video what on earth I bought. I got socks. So I got 2 pairs of the 7 ones for £2 each, because I can never have enough socks. I also got some toothbrushes because my toothbrush is well needing a revamp, or whatever the hell the word is that I'm looking for. So I got these. You get 5 for 75p. They're not the prettiest toothbrushes, but like I'm not really bothered. So yeah, I got them. I also picked up some more pairs of knickers because I'm a basic biatch who just literally buys these pack ones from Primark. I don't buy any of the knickers because I just not interested in thongs, not interested in anything that goes up my bum, because let's be serious, I want to be comfortable, so I just wear these knickers. And that's as basic as it gets. I also got some wipes. I got the Gently Does It twin pack of gentle facial cleansing wipes for sensitive skin, fragrance free. You get 25 wipes in each pack, and there was something like 75. I don't think they were a pound. It says a pound on there, but I'm sure in the tub that I got them out of it says 75p. But who knows. But I've got these because I want to film more videos, and I just think for swatches, or if you're like just quickly wiping some makeup off from underneath your eye, like fallout or anything like that, these just like come so much more in handy. And I'm not using cotton pads for like daft little things. I'm using all my cotton pads up, so I got some of them. I also got a hair bun, which is the little bun ring thing, and this is 80p. Oh, it tells you how to do it on the back. So basically, I've always wanted to try one of these, and I've never really understood how to do it. So I thought for 80p, I'm going to work out how on earth I put this in, because I want to have a bun that doesn't look like a snail, like I had a bit of poop on my head, which is what I normally do. I kind of like just twist it round on itself. I want a nice bun, I want a proper bun. It reminds me of Nicola, because she always does nice buns. She knows how to do a nice bun. And then the last thing that I got was from the PS range. This is the Deep Cleansing Charcoal Nose Pore Strips, and it's meant to unblock pores, and this was £1, and you get 5 strips in it. And I'm going to try this out tonight with Millie. She's got a face mask. My mum's going out tonight, so I'm going to try this with Millie, and she's got a unicorn face mask sheet to put on as well, so I'll show you what that one looks like. I'm hoping they're good, because my nose is just ridiculous at the moment for blackheads. I also picked up that parcel that I mentioned earlier in my vlog from Sparkle PR, and I haven't actually opened it yet. I've opened it but not like got the things out. So all nicely wrapped. Yay! It just says best wishes on it. So I believe this will be, yeah, this is the hair products that they've sent me. So the first is the Hold Me 3 Ways hairspray. So the reason I agreed to review this and the other hair product is because my hair is just so fragile, and the ends are snapping, and I've spoke about it in vlogs and stuff before about me using oils and stuff, and I'm not going to dye it for a long time, and I've been having treatments and stuff to help with my hair. When I heard about this hairspray, I was like, oh my god, that sounds amazing. And I've never heard any other hairspray that's like this. So this is the Design Me Hold Me 3 Ways hairspray. It has different settings, so you can have low hold, you can have medium hold, or you can have high hold. So in the actual spray, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, you can. So it has the different settings along the side, so you kind of turn the spray nozzle to where you want it is, and that's going to determine what the hairspray comes out like. So it says it's a unique adjustable hairspray that gives you 3 levels of support your lush locks will love. With a little twist, you can modify the hold from light, medium to high, whatever control you choose. It has a long-lasting flake-free formula which will give you that shine, UV protection and volume you want for your gorgeous mane. All you need to do is work it. I just think that sounds so cool, and I'm so excited to try that as well, because sometimes you just want just a little spritz and then it comes out in your hair, it's like, oh, like dead hard. And yeah. And the other one, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, I love the packaging. You see, Puff Me, and I'll show you this one. Hold Me. I just love like the pastel-y cuteness of it. So Puff Me is a volumizing cloud mist. So this is it's a lightweight powder to create maximum volume. Spray 2 to 4 inches from your hair, focusing on the roots, and style for instant volume. So it comes out, I'm guessing it comes out in a little. Oh, I was not expecting that. What does it feel like? Oh, that feels really soft. Oh, that feels lovely. Doesn't really smell of anything. That feels lovely. It's made my hand go really soft looking. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on the camera. But I wasn't expecting all that powder to come out then. Now I understand why it says Puff Me, because it just puffs out. I'm really excited to try this because I think my hair's, like I said, my hair's been falling out. I've been losing a lot of hair. I don't know if it's stress, anxiety related. I don't have a clue what it is. Whether it's from going to the hairdressers more often, like a normal person goes to the hairdressers, instead of me going twice a year like what I used to. I don't know what the situation is. I don't know if it's come from going purple to then grey to then blonde. I don't know, but I don't know what I've done, but it's not good. So I thought this can give me some volume back in my hair and pump it back up, and this just sounds absolutely bloody amazing. So I'm really excited to try both of them. And then the last parcel, which, oh my god, I absolutely freaked out and messaged Amber about. because I knew that Amber was getting 2 parcels from Pixi because we talked about it when we met up the other day. So we were talking about it whilst I was out, and obviously I hadn't came home and realised I had a parcel off them as well. I've never ever received PR parcels from Pixi before. I've like worked with them in regards to meeting like their makeup artist Amanda, and I've also like met up with them and then got like some goodies that way, but that was years and years ago. And I was meant to be working with them, jeez, when me and Amber were looking, it was like, she was like middle last year. Remember emails from like June and August sorry, I think on my left then, of us working together, and it's finally happening. Like, I'm so excited. So this is my first ever parcel from Pixi. Honestly, I literally freaked out when I got home because I literally had a thing saying that they'd put my parcel in like a safe place, and I was like, oh my god, okay, thinking I don't have a clue what it could be, and it was bloody Pixi. I'm honestly so excited. I did a little happy dance and everything. But look how beautiful this is. Their parcels are absolutely amazing. And I can't wait to show you what's inside this one as well. So when you open it up, it looks like this. And it says, this special present to you is a beautiful reflection of the Pixi perfect beauty I see in all of you. Enjoy, Petra. We would love to see the gorgeous looks you create using these new eye essentials. Please show us your looks and tag us Pixi Beauty and hashtag Pixi Beauty. And it comes with 2 eyeshadow sets, and then this, oh my god, this is absolutely stunning. This, I didn't know what it was. I got really excited thinking, oh my god, what is that? It feels so sturdy, but obviously it looks like a glasses case as well. It looks really, really cute. It looks like a bath soap at this angle. So it reminds me of that Jenna Marbles video where she made a dog's bed out of the bar soap that, that he likes. But inside it has 3 little brushes in it as well, and I just think that is absolutely stunning. There's like a packing brush, a fluffy brush, and then like a more small detailed fluffy brush, and I am so excited to try these. Oh my god, I've got this on my finger, sticky stuff off that tape. So the 2 palettes that you get inside, one is the Reflex Light eyeshadow palette, and then the other one is the Natural Beauty palette. Would you like me to do a tutorial on this? The Reflex Light one, which is very fitting obviously to the name, is full of shimmers which look absolutely stunning. Look at that. Oh my god, beautiful. And then the Natural Beauty one has a mixture of some mattes and some shimmers as well, but mainly beautiful shimmers again. Look at that. I'm so excited. Please give us a thumbs up if you want me to do a review on these, because I'll be more than happy to. This is how I felt when I got that parcel from Feel Unique with the Charlotte Tilbury box inside it. I'm just so I'm just so excited that I got a parcel from them. Like, wow. So yeah, I think I'm going to take my makeup off now and I'm going to try them face masks out. But yeah, I thought I'd show you what I got from town. I also had a chippy earlier. I had fish and no, I had sausage and chips and some beans, and the beans weren't all that, so I just binned them. And then to kind of counteract that, because me and Millie have like these big Bakewell tarts and a little bag, well, medium-sized bag of onion rings each. I had fish, rice and veg for my tea as well. I'm just feeling really good. I'm minding Millie, like I said, because my mum's out. I think she's at, it's like a charity night and there's a psychic there or something. So she's out having fun, so me and Millie are going to have fun. Have some sister Saturday time. Sister Saturday.
Have you turned the camera on?
Yep.
Oh god.
What do you think of your face mask, babe?
What are you doing?
Moving it so it's not on your lip for you.
You just move it to my lip.
I know, cause it was falling down. Did you hear the noise? Do you like the face mask?
It's very slappy.
It's very slappy.
That does not feel comfortable.
Looks cool though with your teddies next to you.
Subscribe to Dennis Daly.
Dennis Daly merch.
I'm watching him right now, actually.